Shalom everybody, free Biafra, and yes, hi. We have here our project of survivor beans. This is called broad beans. In Portuguese, favas. In Spanish is habas. Yeah, so actually since months we're looking for a land that we can grow these beans, but no one was able to give us access to a land, so we plant wild, okay? And now we are here in the area of Teba, and we see here we are on a road which is actually flooded. So you see how this road is flooded. You see the traffic sign here, and actually there is so much water coming out here of the earth. It's incredible. The thing is, we are at the northern side of these dams, the big dams, or damming the water. We are at the northern side, so you can see there is too much water at the Iberian Peninsula, and they cannot handle it. They cannot, as you can see, there is too much water. It's flooding the roads, it's destroying infrastructure, and but at the other side, it's nature who taking that. So if they want to tell you that in Spain there is no water, it's a lie, as you can see. But thanks to God, we have seen here the favas, the very beans. I'm telling you, the very beans here. These very beans, you see how they coming wild, because this would be in the past be cultivated a lot. Okay, now this got a little bit got forgotten, but the favas is very important, and you can grow it the whole year in the Iberian Peninsula. It only needs water, but it gives nutrition back to the earth. So actually you don't need no rich ground, rich soil to plant this favas. Even if you have acidified and destroyed soil, this favas will repair it. And the soil, the leaves you can also eat. So thank you very much, and like and share and plant favas, and see you soon. Shalom, Daniel, One Love Caravan.